Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to update applications in this device. Firstly, you need to open Play Store. Here, click on your account image and choose Manage Apps and Device. Here, choose Update Available, and here you will see all applications you can update. So click on it and wait a while. Manage Apps, Update, click just Update All. 2 updates in progress. Here you can check the progress. Android System Web View is updating now. And Android Suite, and great, there are no updates in this moment. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.